Hello, good morning to all once again. Here today I am going to take section 4, 4.1, that is history of novel. Okay, so very finely we will just have a introduction point wise so that it will be easy as well as short. Otherwise, it will take long. Okay, so history of novel. So here we are going to exactly know something related the history with the topic novel. Okay, so 18th century was the time, and in during that period, no, this period was been gifted to that era with English literature. So English literature, which itself has a great impact on all types of reader, but during that period English literature has two forms. First was periodical essay and the second was novel. Okay, so these two things was very nicely very successful, and it had a lots of thing. Okay, so here we can say that this 18th century age was the age of intellectual sentiments as a realistic. This novel made the people to understand the importance of life, how to live it with a purposeful and having a meaningful moral values. Okay, and these basic things was being clearly highlighted by the thing that is novel. During this period, novel was very meaningful and was growing very fast and was the most important dominant literary genre. Okay, so here at that time the fiction novel was very successful. Okay, as well as non-fiction was also successful. Novel which has a long narrative human experience. Okay, and further I would like to say that novel is the word derived from the Latin term that is novella, which means new. This type of the genre of literary deals with attractive stories. Okay, it also created the picture of the society of particular time, and it can be also said as the mirror to the society. Okay, novel made the life easier than drama as well as poetry. So novel is the literary genre and has a history of 2000 years. Okay, the first leading aspect was novel, which has collection of tales known by Greek romance. Okay, which was from 2nd to 6th century. Okay, this during this period there was imaginative. The novels were imaginative, delightful. It had delightful stories and adventures. There was adventures which affected the creative writing. Okay, which was the next, which ruled for the next 1000 years. So very finally I would like to say that novel was the term, novel was the aspect which ruled until now also it is ruling very nicely. Okay, so further I move ahead. So here I would like to say that Virgin Alox, Marlowe, Morty D. Author, or Geoffrey Chaucer's The Tale of Canterbury. These are the some great person who had a start. We all know very finely. You 12th standard students might be not knowing Chaucer's offer and all, because it had a little bit background given to you related with English literature to highlight the basic thing, to highlight your your English very finely. So board has done a very nice work by giving little bit aspect of literature to you. Further, Musika Shikuba was a Japanese novelist. Okay, so the first novel in 1010, A Tale of Genji, was given by her. She was the first novelist. Then it came European novel. We had started during that period. Okay, it was Don Quixote, which was written by Spanish writer. Okay, Miguel de Cervantes. Miguel de Cervantes was published in two parts, 1605 as well as 1650. So this was the start. During these were the starting novelists who started the thing that is novel published in that way. In 18th century there was also a different aspect, that is newspapers, magazines, which attracted a large number of readers. Okay, and further this group had a little interest in romance as well as in tragedies, but the upper class appreciated. So automatically there was a class of people who appreciated, that was upper class. So there was a need of new type of literature in 18th century. So 18th century highlighted the spirit of realism, but this thing rejected the romantic features like enthusiasm, passion, imagination, whereas novel was prepared for all these factors. After 1740, novel was originated as the literary form in England. During this period, there was a growth of industrial revolution which gave rise to the middle class, and the most important thing was that the realistic picture of everyday life and the problem of common man was clearly being shown through the novel. Okay, and this was liked by the educated class people. This group loved it, and they had a respectful attitude towards reading this type of a material. Thus novel was a voice of middle class which shown the reality of the society of that period when there was industrial development, and it also gave a time for the middle class people to grow and to move towards loving reading the books and discussing about. So novel was the prominent form of literary genre in 18th century which highlighted the social, political and cultural things happening and the scientific progress. Everything was been clear highlighted in through novel. Okay, so I'm stopping here. The remaining explanation for the first section will be I will give in the next part. Okay, thank you. If you have liked it, so please share it and subscribe. And the most important thing is that it is very easy for you. I will try my level best to make the novel part very easy. Okay, thank you students.